This is my first attempt at a Makeblock robot. I'm using the Bluetooth module for my phone. I will first try and attempt to change the colors of the lights. I don't know if you can see that, but they're changing to green, to blue, to red, yellow. I'll now try and move the arm. This has to be modified slightly because the claw is not really moving back and forth, but you can see that the motor is turning it. And now I'll move up and down. And now I will use the joystick to hopefully move this guy around, but not fall him off my desk. And that is the demonstration of my first Makeblock robot. Thanks.